If you're ready to elevate your crypto game, click the link in the description below and try out these amazing tools. Today, I'm diving into the ultimate crypto showdown: CoinStats versus Delta. Both are top-notch crypto portfolio trackers, but which one is the right fit for you? Let's break it down. First up, CoinStats. CoinStats is your all-in-one crypto manager. It supports over 8,000 cryptocurrencies and integrates with more than 300 exchanges and wallets. With CoinStats, you get real-time pricing, news updates, and even the ability to set up price alerts. Plus, their intuitive dashboard makes it super easy to track your investments. Now let's talk about Delta. Delta also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and exchanges, but it shines with its detailed analytics. Delta offers a deeper dive into your portfolio performance with advanced metrics and insights. You can also connect multiple portfolios and get a holistic view of your investments. But here's where it gets interesting. CoinStats offers a unique feature called CoinStats Insights. This lets you see what other investors are doing, giving you a community-driven perspective. On the other hand, Delta has an edge with its Delta Direct feature. This delivers direct updates from your favorite crypto projects, keeping you in the loop with the latest developments. When it comes to user interface, CoinStats is sleek and user-friendly, perfect for beginners. Delta, meanwhile, offers a more detailed and customizable experience, ideal for advanced users. One area where CoinStats really stands out is its DeFi tracking capabilities. If you're into decentralized finance, CoinStats makes it easy to monitor your DeFi investments. Delta, while robust, is still catching up in this area. Both apps have free versions, but if you're looking for premium features, CoinStats Pro and Delta Pro offer additional tools and insights. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner or someone who values a community-driven approach, CoinStats is your go-to. But if you're an advanced user looking for detailed analytics, Delta might be the better choice. In the end, it all comes down to your personal preference and investment strategy. Why not give both a try and see which one clicks for you? Don't forget, you can click the link in the description below to get started with CoinStats or Delta today. Thanks for watching and happy investing.